Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a juicy and delicious homemade burger that's super easy to make. Let's get started. Step 1. Here are the ingredients we need. Burger buns, ground beef or chicken/veggie patty, cheese slice, tomato, onion, lettuce, pickles, ketchup, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and butter. Step 2. First, take your ground meat and season it with salt and pepper. Mix well and form a round patty. Step 3. Now, heat a pan and cook the patty for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until it's nicely browned. Add cheese on top and let it melt. Step 4. While the patty cooks, toast the buns with a little butter until golden. Step 5. Time to build the burger. Add mayo and ketchup on the bun, place lettuce, tomato, onion, the cheesy patty, pickles, and top with the other bun. Step 6. And there you have it, a juicy homemade burger. Let's taste it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.